Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe account to your Shopify account. So very quickly, just go to settings right here. From here, you want to go to payments. And then here, you can choose to add a payment method or payment provider. So you can type in Stripe. But usually, this depends if Stripe is available in your country. So if not, then most likely you won't be able to connect it like so. So if it's unavailable in your country, there won't be a way for you to uh, connect it. But if it is available in your country, then click this and then enter in your email address and then set everything up. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button so you can see more videos just like this only here on Tech Help Guy.